Okay, hi guys. Got a problem. Looks like my alternator is not charging properly. As you'll hear from the state of the battery, I mean the weather has dropped now, as you know, so it's yeah, not good. I shall just start her up for you. I'm going to have to replace the alternator with a new battery, with a new alternator. Basically what's happening, even though you can hear it turning over, because the current is so low in the battery, it's taking it away from the ignition system. Now, as you can hear, it's misfiring because it's not. As soon as it brings the charge up, it's fine. So according to my alternator tester, it's saying it's 12 volts okay, but that's all it's giving me. It's not charging, it's not going up. It should be up at 14 volts by now, which is that light. Okay. First thing we're going to do is remove the neutral cable. Like so. Always disconnect and reconnect the battery using the neutral first on a neutral type system. And then you remove the positive. In this case I don't need to remove the positive, I just need to remove the neutral. And that will totally isolate the battery. Come off, you little toe rag. Been on here for a while. This battery is only about 6 months old, and it's just not holding its charge. Sorry, it's holding its charge. The battery is just not being charged up properly by the alternator. Initially it shows 14 volts, and as soon as you put a load on it, any kind of load, it just dies. It's no longer charging. So we just all out of the way. So now the battery is totally isolated from the rest of the system. And we can leave the live connected, because without the neutral nothing else is going to work. So that's absolutely fine. Obviously, if you're going to, obviously take the whole battery out, it's neutral first, then live, never the other way around. The same as when you're putting it back. Always put the live back first, then put the neutral. Okay? Right, next thing we've got to do is take the panel from the inside. So I'll meet you inside. Okay, right, got the inner carpets off, and now drop all these screws out and take this panel off. Yeah, I've got my new alternator ready. Comes with the fan and with the rotor or pulley. So that's sitting there waiting to go on. And now hopefully this will sort the problem. I already put a new ignition coil on because I was having a problem with that, because there was like the oil was leaking out of the actual coil itself, so I've replaced that, so a brand new coil. I knew this was going to need replacing because a couple of times it actually stopped charging altogether, so I knew there was a problem. Not with this one, obviously, it was the original. So, yeah. So right, let's get to it. I'll put you in a better position. Hopefully this is going to come out easily for once. So I'm hoping that this is going to come off easy. Right, the first thing I've got to do is unplug. It's in there for something. AF, yep. Come undone, but probably find a nut at the front is spinning. Bet your life on it. Probably. It feels like a nut at the front is spinning. Okay, I think I'm going to pause this in a minute because you don't want to stand there and sit there watching me trying to get this on. It's getting there. Be back in a mo. Well, after much time, I finally got the blasted thing in. turns out, because it's a slightly more powerful alternator, slightly bigger as well. Turns out, slightly longer. So yeah, it was interesting to fit, to say the least. But yeah, it's now charging absolutely no problem at all on tick over 14 volts, no, 14.8 volts. No problem at all. So hopefully now shouldn't be no problems. Just tidy up a couple of wires and I'm not very good, so I'm having to glue the buggers in. And of course it's now getting dark. Which is great. So, nearly there. Bring it down. Push it down to 20 volts. See what we've got. As soon as you put the alternator on any sort of load, that drops right off. So that's it. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed this video, I'm not sure how useful it's been, because you didn't get to see a lot of it, but just another adventure along the way of the Reliant Robin, sorry. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and hit that like button if you've enjoyed the video. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.